Hey guys, good morning. I hope you are having a great day. Yes, the day has finally come. We are gonna harvest the strawberries today. So it was never my intention to have strawberries in the garden, honestly. At least it was not a priority when I started the garden. But last year I received 7 strawberry plants from a kind neighbor. And I planted them in the flower bed with the hydrangeas. I was thinking that the strawberries will fill the flower bed until the hydrangeas grow up, but they took over the whole flower bed, so I had to move some of them to a different one. So let's see them. So this is the flower bed I was talking about with the hydrangeas and the strawberries. Look at this, you can't even see the hydrangeas, there's only strawberries. So yeah, on the fence here I have 3 big honeysuckles, as you can see, and I put here 8 limelight hydrangeas. Look at them, you guys. These already started to have buds, so we will have lots of flowers this year. And in between them I planted the strawberries. As I said, 7 plants. It was only 7 strawberry plants. It's like just an infinite number of strawberry plants right now. I'm really lucky because I have a variety I don't know the name of, but I have a variety that has huge leaves and it has really huge fruit. So let's see. As you can see, it's as big as my hand, and the strawberries are also really big. Can you see this? Let me focus. Yeah. Someone munched on my strawberries. Oh man. Okay, let's see the rest of them. So many strawberries hiding behind the leaves. One more here and more to come. As you can see, we have so many green strawberries for the next weeks. Another hydrangea and the honeysuckle. By the way, the honeysuckle started to flower. Let's see. I'm really sorry I can't take a picture of the smell, you guys, because this smells so good. Okay, but back to the strawberries. I just wanted to show this flower bed from a different angle, so you have an idea where it is located in the garden. So it is next to the garden with the horsey and next to the cottage. Okay, but enough talk, let's harvest them.